Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can choose graphic performance as your preferences on Windows setting in Windows 11. Of course, if you still have Windows 10, please upgrade into the Windows 11. So let's get started. In order to optimize, you can use the driver, your GPU driver, like AMD Adrenaline Edition, or you can use a NVIDIA version. And also in Windows, you can set or you can choose your preferences by go to settings and search for system, click on system and click display, scroll down and choose graphics in related settings. Next, here we go. This is the graphic option, custom option for apps. Here, find an app in the list and select it. Then choose custom graphic settings for it. You might need to restart the app for your changes to take effect. For example, I do have two games here, the classic Dragon Age, the Inquisition, and of course the Hitman 3. Here we go. By default, let Windows decide, but you can decide manually. You can choose your preferences. Click on your game, click options. Here we go. You can choose power saving, or you can choose high performance. Usually the Windows by default choose high performance for game and choose power saving for a app that not demanded your graphic card power. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.